So yeah, we've got volatility picking up here in FX. It really has been gradually over the last couple of weeks. I wrote last night in my piece that this little break, because I wrote yesterday and I'm not going to write until next week. I'm going to take a couple days off here and cook and stuff my face and all that good stuff and watch football and hang out with my son and just enjoy Thanksgiving. But I said it can't come soon enough, and it's kind of the perfect time for it for me, because frankly I've been so out of tune with the market here lately. Just let's take a look at DXY here. I'll scroll in here a little bit. So if you remember, okay, let's just kind of backtrack, right? All right, so we had held a bullish view on the dollar for really the entire year, and that proved to be the correct move, right? We got up into resistance back here in October. I thought we were going to push a little bit higher. We didn't. We failed. And then, of course, after that, I actually ended up going kind of turning a bit bearish on the dollar. And then we had NFP here, right? Thought maybe we're putting a top there. And then we got this entire move. So it's been, kind of a fight for a lot of October and November here, and that's all right. You got to learn from it. But let's think about where we are now. So this is DXY. Okay, this is the 2011 and 2014 line, if you will, and I've got a parallel here extended from the 2018 low. So we are just tagging that level right now, the underside of this. And from here up to that next line, which is actually the 618 retrace of this entire move down. Oh, hold on. So yeah, we are looking at, we are looking at this level here. Getting some messages coming through, so I'm a little distracted. Sorry about that. But yeah, bottom line is we are starting to hit, or we are hitting a really big level here on DXY as I sit here and speak with you. And not only that, but we are starting to see, as you know, I look a lot at sentiment, of course, right? As a technician, sentiment is key. And the combination of a huge level along with sentiment getting a little extreme often can mark a good turning point. So we are starting to see, if you go to Google News, just type in US dollar, we are starting to see language like dollar soars, dollar jumps, stuff like that. And that kind of strong, active language tends to be indicative of a sentiment extreme and therefore a price top, or risk of a price top, I should add. So that is a bit of, kind of what we're looking at here in terms of the current landscape. All right. Okay. So we've laid out here that DXY is into a big level. We've laid out here so far, sentiment is getting a big extreme. Now, again, these big moves, and look, for much of the year, we've had this kind of consolidation. Dollar broke out, had a big move off the lows. A lot of the move has come just in the last couple of weeks, right? So just because we're getting into a big level doesn't mean we can't try to overshoot it and get to that 618 at 97.70. So be careful in terms of, trying to fade this like immediately. Again, like I said, taking off the next couple of days, I think is a smart move. And we will, see where we end up here at the end of the week. But frankly, I'd like to see kind of a strong reaction before attempting to do anything like, nice key reversal, something like this, right? Something like this right here, okay? Like that candle. Now, again, that didn't really lead to anything. That was actually last Thursday, but yeah, something like that. right? That's what we want to see.